solve this partial differential equation. So if you look this, then this is coming under the category that is capital P to small p plus capital into small q is equal to that is r. So let us write this in the standard form. So dx by y plus z
equal to dy by minus z plus x equal to dz by x minus y.
So you do one thing, let us write this thing as this is dx by y plus z, this is okay. So x dx divided by xy plus xz is equal to y dy by minus of yz minus of
y
is equal to
z
dz
zx
minus
z.
zy. So you just add it. So what you get? This implies
x dx plus
dx plus
y dy plus z
plus z dz
divided by 0.
Now this implies that integration
x
of
x dx plus y dy
plus integration of y dy plus integration of z dz
to 0.
is equal to integration of
0.
So this is your
x square by 2
square by 2 plus
y square by 2
y square by 2
plus z square by 2.
y square by 2 is all constant. So this is
One answer, one solution.
So let us take your another solution for this. So you do like this. This is dx plus dy plus dz is equal to 0. Is not it? So this implies that
X
integration of
x
dx,
plus dy
integration of dy,
plus dz.
integration of dz, integration of 0. This is x plus
Y plus
y plus z is c2.
Should be another solution.
Therefore, the
F of
solution is f of c1, c2 is
equal to 0.
So you substitute the value of c1, c2 there, you get the
Answer.
complete solution in this case. Solve this differential equation. So I first of all write this in the standard form. So I can write
dy by x into y minus z.
y minus of z
Dy
dy
by
y into z minus of x is divided by
z into x minus y.
x minus of y. So one solution I can write this is dx
Plus dy
plus dy
plus dz equal to 0.
dz is equal to 0. So integration of
dx
integration of dy
integration of dz
integration of dz integration of
0.
so I can write
X plus y plus z
y plus z
equal to c1.
This is one solution. You take another one, 1 by x into dx, 1 by y into dy, 1 by z into dz
Equal to 0.
is equal to 0. So take the integration. So
Then
this implies that integration of 1 by x into your dx, integration of 1 by y into your dy, integration of 1 by z into dz,
equal to 0.
integration of 0.
Ln of x
So this is your ln x
plus
plus
ln
your ln
of
y
y
plus your ln z
equal to ln of c. Then by the property ln of x y z y into
is ln of c2.
so x y z is equal to c2.
This is second solution. So
F of c1 c2
is equal to
0.
So this is the solution of this differential equation. So you do one thing, let us take more minus x square. You solve this differential equation. So I can write
dx by
dx by x
equal to dy by minus
dy
y
by minus of y
equal to
is dz by y square minus x square. So I can write
x dx
dx by x is dy by
minus
y.
y.
So this implies integration of dx by x is integration of minus dy by y.
So ln of x
So ln x is
minus ln of x plus ln of c. So ln of x plus ln of y equal to ln of c1. So ln x comma y. So xy equal to c1.
xy is c1. This is equation number 1. Take another one.
X square
So dx
x by
this.
x by x square. Okay.
X
Minus y is equal to dz y square minus x
y
square
minus x into x plus y.
y. So we cancel out each other.
This cancel, you are getting minus of
X comma
x plus y
dx dy
d of x plus y
is equal to dz.
integrate both the sides. So integration of x plus y into d of your x plus y is integration of dz. So this is your x plus y whole square by your 2 is z minus z is equal to c. So this is the second solution. So you are getting the solution is f of c1 c2 is equal to 0.
0.
This is your equation. Let us write this in the standard form of
dx by
dx
x
by x
y square minus z
y
square
square minus z square is dy by y
z square minus z
x
square
square minus of x square is dz y
z into x
z
square minus
into x square minus.
y square.
So I can write this is 1 by x into dx plus 1 by y into dy plus 1 by z into dz is equal to 0. Integrate. Integration of 1 by x into dx, integration of 1 by y into dy plus the integration of 1 by z into dz is integration of 0.
ln of x
plus ln y plus ln z
equal to c1. ln of c1.
ln of c1. So this is your ln of your x y z is ln of c1.
So x y z equal
x y z is
c1.
this is equation number 1.
Solution
So I can write x into dx plus y
Y into
into
dy
dy plus
Z
z into dz
is equal to 0.
0. Integrate. So integration of
X dx
x dx y dy integration of z dz is integral of
0. So
this
x square by
is
2
x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 is c. So this is your second one. So f of
c1
c1
comma
c2 is equal to. This is the second solution that